Hello, welcome back to another LSPDFR tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to install the Blaine County Sheriff Pack. So, first off, we're going to start with the ELS. But before we do, I'm going to open up our GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know how to do that, you just go by the installation location. For me, it's okay, just go to this PC, go to the file, go to drive you download it in, go to the Steam library. Sorry, I'm just very tired this afternoon. Steam apps, common. It's gonna be right here. But if you download it on your computer drive, it's gonna be here. Program x86 files, Steam, and then Steam apps, common, and it's gonna be somewhere in here. Otherwise, it's going to be in program files for if you install it on Rockstar. I don't know where it would be. I don't know where else it would be though. But let's go to our GTA 5 main directory. Let's click download this file. Agree and download. Now, this is where you need to pay attention. So you want to download this one. Wait for this to install. Anytime now. Here we go. Now, I installed that, and there was an advanced hookv.ll in there, but it was outdated, so my ASI for the ELS wasn't working. So you also want to download this one. Let's wait for that, and it is installed. So we're gonna go. You want to have WinRar. We're gonna be using WinRar for these files, and you're gonna need WinRar. So link to it is in the description. I am gonna be using WinRar x64 because my computer can run that. We're gonna open that. Click click yes on letting it make changes to my device. I'm gonna click install. I'm gonna click OK. Then click done. Alright, good. Now we're gonna install ScriptHookV. Just real quick, we're gonna install ScriptHookV. I'm gonna click keep. Then we're gonna install the Blaine County Sheriff Pack. Wait for that to start downloading. Alright, while that installs, we're gonna go to our downloads folder. And then we're gonna go right click on ELS. I'm gonna open that with WinRAR. I'm gonna right click on Advanced Hook V. I'm gonna open that with WinRAR as well. I'm gonna close this. You really don't need that. You don't have to pay for WinRAR. Then I'm gonna open ScriptHookV. There. While we wait for that. So we're gonna open our GTA main directory. Make sure you're not highlighted on anything. The ScriptHookV, and then I'm gonna see my latest version. ScriptHookV. ScriptHookV. 8/21/2024. Now, I guess that means no, sorry, wrong one. Yeah, 7/20/2024. So you want to copy these three files, drag and drop in your directory. Again, I'm sorry, I'm tired this afternoon. And then that is done for that. So you want to make sure you're not highlighted on anything again. And this time we're going to install ELS. So you want to go to installation folders, Grand Theft Auto 5, and then you want to highlight these 4 files. You want to drag and drop in your directory. Now, we're going to close this. We're going to open the last one, ScriptHookV. This will replace one of the files you just placed in there. Because one of the files you just placed in there are outdated. So we're going to drag that in, replace the file in the destination, and then you should not get an error. You should not get an error. So, that should be done, right? It's alright. It is done. So, we are going to open that file in our directory. GTA 5 main directory. Sorry, no, not our directory. We're going to open OpenIV. If you don't have OpenIV, I will leave a... Oh, yeah, Windows. I will leave a link to the guide in the description of how to install it. Turn on edit mode. Perfect. So I'm going to go to downloads. I'm going to open the Blaine County Sheriff's Office Mega Pack with WinRar. And I'm going to open that up. Close the downloads folder. Go to update. X64. No, sorry. No. Not up. Not up. Yeah, update. X64. DLC packs. And go down to patch day 25. Patch day 25. DLC RPF. And you want to click copy to mods folder. And you want, and just in case you don't know how to get to your mods folder, you want to click GTA 5 mods and you now go to update X64 DLC packs patch day 24 to patch day 25 DLC RPF common no not common sorry X64 levels GTA 5 vehicles.rpf. Now, if you're new to installing this, you're going to have all of the files I have here. You're going to have all the files I have here. So, I'm going to open up this. Just going to move this like this over here. I'm going to start with the 2018 Charger. Alright. Now, I'm going to do Sheriff. 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 Now, this is when your ELS comes in handy. So go to Grand Theft Auto 5, your main directory, not through OpenIV, just your directory. Go click on ELS, pack default, and this is where your XML file is going to go. So we're going to highlight this file, drag and drop in our pack default, the XML file. And we're going to highlight these 3 files, drag and drop inside our vehicles.rpf. Now they're going to be in here. If I double click, this is what it looks like. Well, it's not gonna look like this in game. Probably gonna look much better. But it looks like there's no tires, but they'll load in the game. There's tires. Trust me. All right. Now we're gonna go back. Crown Victoria. I'm okay with it being Police 4. I really don't care. It can stay like that all at once. So We're going to drag these 4 files in the vehicles.rpf. And then same for these. Although I want to see this. No. Select up. I want to see the model real quick. Let's see the model. It's not gonna show me. I see how you want to do this. I see how you like me. You'll like me more when I do this. Thank you. Not you. Sorry, I was talking to the files. This is what it looks like. Oh, actually, it doesn't actually look that bad. Aw. Now I wish I had it. I wish I had it more often. Alright, now we're gonna install the 2020 Tahoe. So we're gonna copy. Hold on a second. Did I? I didn't. Ha ha ha. I caught my mistake. I caught my mistake. I just want to make sure I didn't make another mistake real quick. Cool. We're good, right? We're good. Okay, we're good. Copy these 3 files, drag and drop in vehicles.rpf. Copy the XML file, drag and drop in our pack default. Back out. I'm going to install the Dodge Ram Slick Top. This is Sheriff 2, so I'm going to highlight these 3 files, drag and drop in the vehicles.rpf. Gonna make sure. Alright, good. Then I'm gonna pull up the pack default and drag and drop sheriff2.xml into the pack default. You can install this if you would like to. I mean, it doesn't really matter. You know what? I will, because why not? Actually, no, I don't want to. But that's how you install BCSO Mega Pack. Thank you for watching, but real quick, I'm going to show you in-game the vehicles. So, I'll see you in-game. Alright, so we have installed the mod packs. I'm gonna go in here. I've tested this myself, so don't you worry. Just go in here. Lease garage. I'm gonna go to LSPDFR. Now, it replaced the usual Sheriff Cruiser with this. Let's see what else might be replaced. Anything? Okay, this got replaced with the Slick Top I got, and then you got News, FIB, and then you have the Granger. Yeah. But basically what I'm saying is the vehicles I installed are all in the game right now. And to use your ELS, you want to click J for first stage, just stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, all by J. You just want to click J for all 3 stages, and you will click J again to turn them off. And then with them on, you can turn your sirens on and off. Without them on, you can't really turn your sirens on, so it's like a realistic thing.
Attention all units. We have a person with a gun in La Mesa.
Hold up, let me just turn that off. But yeah, this is it. It works just fine.
The fuck was that?
Oh, did you see the, hold up. I don't know if I showed you the unmarked, the Slick Top Charger. Did I show you the Slick Top? I don't even know if I got the slick top. Hold up. Yeah, I got the slick top. It should be in here somewhere. I think it's in police, like LSPD. When you install it the way I did, I think it's the slick top charger should be in LSPD. Yeah, it's gonna be an LSPD right here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that looks so nice. How does it look at night, though? I want to know what it looks like at night. That's what I really want to see at some point. But I guess we'll find out soon enough. But that's how you install the pack. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you watching this. That is how you install the pack. See ya.